Hi everyone, today I'll show you my way of drawing Gachalife eyes. I'm still learning so I'm not confident, but I hope it helps everyone. Let's start! First of all, I will explain the change in the shape of the eyes when viewed from the front and when viewed from the side using eggs. When the face slightly turns, one of the eyes will get wider and the other will get narrower. Turn in the opposite direction to reverse. The Gachalife character is facing a little sideways, so draw one eye thinner. I'm going to draw the eyes that look a little to the left. Draw guidelines for face center and eye height. When the face turns slightly to the left eye looks narrower and the right eye looks wider. The width of the eyebrow is changed like the eyes. The left eye is narrow and the right eye is wide. When viewed from the front, the width of the left and right eye is the same and symmetrical. Draw the eyebrows so that they are symmetrical on the left and right. When the face is facing to the right, draw the right eye thinner. If you practice many times, you will be able to draw without guidelines. If you actually draw the eyes on the egg and look at it from various angles, the change in shape is easy to understand and it will be helpful when drawing pictures from various angles. Be careful not to crack the eggs. From here, I'll show you how I actually draw the eyes of Gachalife. First, draw a head-sized circle, then draw the center line of the face. Since it's facing right, draw the center line slightly to the right of the center of the circle. Draw eye guidelines. This picture is facing a little to the right, so the eyes on the right side will be narrower. When drawing a curve, it is easier to draw by drawing the 3 target points and connecting them. After drawing one eye, use it as a model to draw the other eye. Make sure that both eyes are at the same height. draw a little wider than the right eyes. After drawing one eye, use it as a model to draw the other eye. Make sure that both eyes are at the same height. The last one that I am drawing now is easier to draw from the pupil. The nose and mouth are in the center of the face, so draw them above the center guidelines. I like to keep the nose to mouth distance and the mouth to chin distance the same. Draw the ears at the same height as the guidelines under the eyes. Next, I'll draw with a pencil. After drawing a rough shape, adjust it according to the image of the facial expression you want to draw. By tilting the lines of the upper and lower lashes a little, you can get a gentle look or a strong look. If you leave the middle of the upper lashes white, it will look shiny. After drawing one eye, use it as a model for drawing the other eye. At that time, draw while adjusting so that it becomes a little thinner. Be careful to match the height of both eyes. After drawing a rough shape, adjust it according to the image of the facial expression you want to draw. The nose and mouth are in the center of the face, so draw them above the center guidelines. I like to keep the nose to mouth distance and the mouth to chin distance the same length. Draw the ears at the same height as the guidelines under the eyes. Draw the neck slightly to the left of the center. Draw your favorite hairstyle along the shape of the head and you're done! Thank you for watching till the end. If you like this video, be sure to leave a comment, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the bell. See you!